Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin is slowly but surely making its way back up after the aftermath of yesterday's Bybit hack. The price action bounced off the blue horizontal level at 95,000 and pushed higher, breaking through the yellow horizontal at 96,000. Right now it's fighting with the 21 EMA on the 1-hour time frame. Once that level is cleared, we could see 97.4 thousand taken next, followed by the magical 100,000 mark and beyond. Looking at the 3-day liquidation heat map, we can see just how aggressively the bulls longed that bottom at 95,000. It's almost ridiculous. There's now 355 million in long liquidation leverage stacked at 94.8 thousand, making it an easy target for market makers while fear remains dominant. The fear and greed index still shows 38, meaning the market is still in fear mode. Switching to the 2-week liquidation heat map, the picture becomes even clearer. The hottest level is 99.6 thousand, and it's not a question of if, but when that level gets taken. Everything else is significantly colder than that area. 100,000, here we come. Despite some sporadic buying from BlackRock, Bitwise, and VanEck, last week's Bitcoin ETF flows were mostly dominated by outflows. Speaking of VanEck, they just made an interesting prediction. If the US government accumulates 1 million Bitcoin by 2029, they estimate it could offset 21 trillion in national debt. Even crazier, they projected Bitcoin could hit 21 million per coin. VanEck's analysis suggests that if the US were to accumulate Bitcoin at current or even suppressed prices, it could become a major financial tool to reduce its debt burden. But this raises another question. Are there intentional efforts to suppress Bitcoin's price so governments can accumulate more? Historically, Bitcoin has faced price volatility from large sell-offs, regulatory actions, and institutional plays. Some analysts believe private and governmental entities could be influencing the price through regulatory pressure, coordinated market sell-offs, and fear-based media narratives. If that theory is correct, long-term suppression strategies won't work forever. At some point, the buying pressure will explode, and Bitcoin could surge past 250,000 per coin. We've already seen factors like supply shock, institutional adoption, and global geopolitical shifts play a major role in Bitcoin's price movements. If a supply crunch happens, Bitcoin's price could skyrocket. Now, for some on-chain drama, ZachXBT just exposed the on-chain clown of the day. The XCH team accidentally sent 34 Ethereum, about $96,000, to another exchange's hot wallet after laundering over 35 million for the Lazarus Group from the Bybit hack. That's a next-level mistake. I'll keep you updated on the daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts, entries, and exits. Like the video if you got value out of this, and subscribe with the bell on if you want to stay updated. And see you in the next one.